Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Joe Jewelry. I hope you are all well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute, sweet little bowl. Wow, so cute. It's really suitable for absolute beginners. You have got this final result, but yeah, keep going until you have got this final result that you want. So we are gonna to make the other one to go with this today. Other example, elastic band with a bow. Let's get started. You are going to need some size 10 seed beads in beige. So I'm using these Toho seed beads. You will need earring hooks and jump ring, 2 beads, 2 needles, just needle and beading needle, elastic band. I'm going to use moulinet thread, beige thread, and phone charger, some pliers. Today I'm using 2 meters 50 centimeters thread. Thread your needle and then you are going to take 17 seed beads. I will speed up. Right now we have this. Slide those down our tail 10 centimeters. And then you are going to take a charger tail, doing like this. Next you will need to twist. Doing like this. Doing loose. Be careful guys, doing loose. I will speed up. Repeat the steps. Right now we have this. Tie knots. Cut it off. Next you will need 45 centimeters string, needle, just needle, thread your needle, take a charge, do it like this, next you will need to twist. Do it like this. You are going to pick up a jump ring and you are going to go through that jump ring. Do it like this. Repeat the steps. Tie knots. And then you are going to go through these threads, doing like this. For other example, I'm using elastic band. You are going to take elastic band and you are going to go through that band, doing like this. you will need to twist. Doing like this. Tie knots. And then you are going to go through these threads so we have this little unit like this, and then you can take off your ribbon, doing like this. Right now we have this, and then you are going to pick up a bead, and then you are going to go through that bead. Doing like this. You are going to pick up a seed bead, and then you are going to go through that seed bead. Thread your needle, and you are going to move through the bead. Doing like this. Tie knots. Cut it off. Today I'm using glue. Repeat the steps for other thread. Done. Today I'm using earring hooks. All finished. They look absolutely fine. I hope you're able to make a pair of these. I think I'm going to use mine as a little gift. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And let me know if you make one. Please tag me on Instagram in any that you make, and I would love to see them. And subscribe if you like to see more of my videos, and comment down below what else would you like to see, and give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you later. Bye.